Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the model open. Now jump straight to the View tab and open View Manager. Create a new view, give it a clear name, and set the orientation you want. Once done, choose the display style, shaded, wireframe, or hidden, so the view captures what you need. Make sure to save or update the view immediately. That preserves orientation and display settings. This first step locks in the camera and visual state, which you will reuse for drawings and presentations. Once you have basic views, refine them by editing camera position, zoom level, and depth to highlight features. You should also link display representations, such as layer and model display reps, so each view shows correct visibility and color. Organize views into folders and use consistent naming so you can find them fast. For example, prefix with stage or discipline. Make a thumbnail snapshot for each view to speed visual selection, and remember to update after any change, so the manager stays in sync. To finish, apply your saved view to a drawing or layout. Insert it, verify scale and orientation, then lock or reference it as needed. Export view states when sharing models with teammates so they get the same camera and display settings. Make sure to save the session after exporting or updating defaults. If something goes wrong, regenerate geometry and check that layer and display representations are correct. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.